This is another factory of Yangli Group with a total area of 500,000 square meters. Today we are going to visit one of the factories in this area. You are now looking at Yangli Hydraulic. Built in 2002, we have a hydraulic press from 200 ton to 5,000 ton. WC67 model hydraulic press brake from 40 ton to 600 ton. QC12 model guillotine from 4 mm thickness to 30 mm thickness, all made in this factory. In this factory, we do everything independently, from material blanking, welding, annealing, machining, assembly, and final inspection. Around 700 machines will be produced here every month. This is a building for testing and R&D center for automation solutions. The solutions for automation press line and sheet metal line all come from here. This is the entrance for Yangli Hydraulic Plant. But today, we are not going to visit here. Here we are. Let's check what we got from this plant. This is the assembly workshop for machines ranging from 160 tons to 400 tons, such as this C-frame press JH21 model, most popular for small metal stamping parts. Rugged strong C-type frame, easy for change the modes, pneumatic dry clutch, Japan taco valve, Mitsubishi PLC, hydraulic overload protector, automatic lubrication system. This is the most common model you can find in the stamping industrial. This is the press special for making a can lid, like a Coca-Cola can lid, metal container lid, and the speed of this machine can reach 200 times a minute. In that video, we can stamp in 2,000 lids per minute, 12,000 per hour, total automatic and no stop. This is J75G model press, specially designed for the manufacturing starter and rotor for the motor. It's 400-ton press with both the size 2.5 by 1.2 meters. The speed can reach 200 times per minute, perfect for automatic blanking lines. This transfer press is used for making battery enclosures for the new energy vehicles. This is a new and exciting market, has a lot of potential. If you have interest in that, we have lots of resources to share with you. This is a 250-ton press packed and ready to be shipped to Peru. All these machines belong to the same customer. after learning that shipping rates to Algeria had risen to $400,000, he had to wait and see. Unfortunately, the problem of high shipping rates will probably continue until the end of 2022. As I told in my last video, the entire group has 36 floor boring machines from Italy Parma. There are 3 of them. The machine frame is in the process of machining. There are more workshops behind, but next time I will bring my golf cart. Now we are going to the second assembly workshop. The little presses, like 63 tons, are made here. most popular model all over the world. C-type machine frame, easy to change the mode, pneumatic dry clutch, Japan tackle valve, Mitsubishi PLC, hydraulic overload protector, automatic lubrication system. After the machine is assembled, each machine must complete a final 48 hours test and must pass inspection before it can be shipped. It's a little bit different from the other machine. It's called JL21 model. JH21 machine stroke is fixed, but this machine stroke can be adjusted as you wish. These presses are for aluminum foil container making, combined with automation parts to the automatic foil container production line, and make 12,000 foil containers an hour